Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps. Today I'm going to share with you Dell laptop Latitude E7240. How to upgrade your memory. I'm going to change it to 16 gig, 8 gig each, 1600 megahertz. Both of them are the same, and let's get started. Open the battery, which you slide it on one end, and you lift up the battery. Phillips screwdriver. These are two screws we're going to open. So you remove the screws and keep it on safe place. You need to slide this one downward. You slide it like this and then you lift it. Once you lift it, it opens up. These are the memory slot. We're going to take these memories out by opening the side. Once it's lifted up, you pull it towards outside. These are 4 gig each. So these are 4 gig each, removing it. So we're going to replace these with the 8 gig stick. So that will give us 16 gig. Keep it at 45-degree angle like this. Once you press it this way, then you press it down and you heard the snap. Same way, plug in back, you press it a little bit, locks in, then you press it down. That's how it's easy to upgrade your memory from 8 gig to 16 gig. You make sure that it's seated well, then you slide it. Comes this way, then you put the screws back. Once the screws are tightened, place your battery by putting it back and snapping it. That's how you upgrade your memory from 8 gig to 16 gig. Thank you for watching Easy Steps. If you like it, please like and subscribe Easy Steps. Thank you. Bye-bye.